Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about plan regions in Revit, how plan regions work, and how we can create them. So right now, I'm in floor plan, and inside this particular floor plan, I don't want to, show this particular area on my floor plan. But the problem is the elevation for example, for this particular round duct, it's approx. This is the reference level for this particular duct is level 3, and the offset is minus 12 feet. It means it is below than level 3, right? At 12 feet height. Now, if I'll select this particular duct as well, this is also at level 3 of reference level, and the offset is around minus 12 feet. It means these two ducts are approx at same level. But I want to show this particular duct and I don't want to show this particular duct. There is one solution. Either I can select one each particular element that I want to hide and I'll go for element height. But that is not a right approach. Okay. So how we can do that thing? Now the solution comes in terms of plan region. I can apply the plan region, but why not view range? Let me show you why we are not applying the view range. You get the idea that this particular service is at minus 12 feet height. It means, let me go like that way. It is at 12 feet drop from level 3. Okay, so it is below than level 3 by 12 feet. So it means I wanted to apply the view range. I wanted to apply that whatsoever surface below than, let's example 13 feet from level 3, it should be visible in the floor plan. But if it is, you know, above than 12 feet, 13 feet, for example, it will not be visible. 13 feet above, it means 12, 11, 10, 9, 7 from level 3. So it will not be visible if I'll apply the view range like that way. So for example, if I'll go right here in the view range, right here, my top limit is level 3, that's fine. But the offset is minus 9 feet. It means my view range, the top limit right now, it is below than level 3 and at minus 9 feet. It means I can see whatsoever surface are coming at 9 feet drop from level 3. Okay, that is why I can see these ducts. Why? Because these are at 12 feet drop, right? Because my range is at 9. Let me go like that way. Let me cut a section right here. So this is my level 3. Let me draw a line. So if I'll go right here, my view range right now at this 9 feet, right? Approx right here. Let me zoom in approx. Yeah, it's approx right here, for example, this one. Okay, so this is my 9 feet drop. But if I'll go right here, so in that case, whatsoever service are coming below than this particular line, I can see whatsoever service is coming right there. But if I'll go for 12 feet, that is 13 feet, sorry, for example, till right here, probably I'll not be able to see these elements because those are coming above than uh, 13 feet drop from level 3, right? So that is the approach. Or let's go for 14 feet so that will hide these pipes as well. Okay, so let's go like that way. I'm applying the drop of 14 feet. So let me go for 14 feet approx. That will be coming till right here. Okay, now let me go in my plan view, and for that one, what I'll do is that I'll go for plan region. So I'll go in view tab right here, click on view plan views. I'll click on plan region, and now I'll create a rectangle box around which I want to hide the services. Okay, so till right here I want to hide. Now I'll go right here at the view range option of this plan region, and I'll apply the same whatsoever I want to apply. So I want minus 14 feet, right? I'll click on OK. And in this plan, in this area, whatsoever services are coming, that will be hidden. Now if I'll select this one, this will be coming around 14 or something like that way. Okay, minus 13 and a half feet. That is why it is visible. But if I'll increase this one, so it means, let me go with 15 feet, for example, or 16 feet, that element will be hidden. Okay, let me apply that one. Yeah, so that is how it will working. Now I want to hide the elements with the same range till right here, so I'll go for right here, and all the things are hidden. Now I can stretch this one till right here as well. So that is how the view range, sorry, the plan region works. And why I did not use the view range, let me show you. So that is how it will be working. Let me delete this one as of now. And now let me apply the plan region, sorry, the view range for you. Click on edit right here, and I'll apply the same 14 feet. It'll be hiding all the services in the layout. That I don't want, right? I want that all the services of that range will be in this particular area. That is why we are going for the plan region. So I hope you get the idea why we are using the plan region. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.